Oh yeah. I was just so control. Cause I never knew when you made your move. You said you wouldn't know. I should've known it from the start. Bitch, you was a slob. Bitch, you was a slob. Trying to break my heart. Should've knew it from the start. I said, bitch, you a slide to me. Hell, that bitch you never do. You lie. You scooped up. You scooped up. My butt. Oh my God, man. Slide to me. That's shit that you never do. You lied to me. Oh my God! Return of the man! Return of the man! Yo, Scooter, run that back! Hold on! Yo, what's your coming? I put you on the ab. I put you on the ab. Sucking Scooter bitch. You already know. You suck my man dick. Me. You already know. I'll gain to the land.
Push you with Allen, walking in the hallway. Took you in the bathroom and did it always. On the toilet, yeah, you already know. Took you to the crib, yeah, man, I spanked the hoe. Money now, then Biggie hit, Banga hit, then he had to spank the bitch. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I'm about to get in trouble, so you know I'm out.
You heard him.
Yeah, man. Oh, no, don't put this on Facebook. Go back.